Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see next question, that is question number 7. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 cm and 7 cm with center O. Here AB, it is an arc of a circle whose radius is 21 cm. CD is an arc of another circle whose radius is 7 cm, but both the circles are concentric circles, means they have the same center O. See figure. So figure is given in the textbook. If angle AOB equal to 30 degrees, here in textbook here this angle is not mentioned, but from the question we can note down here angle AOB is nothing but angle COD also. So that is given 30 degrees. Let us write 30 degrees. Find the area of the shaded region. You observe carefully, this is the shaded region. Okay, ABDC is the shaded region. So now let us start solving this problem. Let us write first given. Here AB is equal to 21 centimeter. OC is equal to, here not AB, OB, it is OB. OB is equal to 21 centimeter. OC or OD both are same. OC is equal to 7 centimeter. So we can write this as some capital R radius. Capital R equal 21 centimeter, and we can take it as some small r as 7 centimeter. Also given angle AOB. Angle AOB is nothing but angle COD. Angle COD each is 30 degrees. Now we need to find area of the shaded region. So now area of the shaded region. Now let us see how to find the area of the shaded region. You observe the given figure. OA is the radius, OB is the radius. So OA and OB are the radii of the bigger circle. AB is the arc. The region or the area bounded by two radii and the arc. This region or this area is called area of the sector of the bigger circle. Similarly, here OCD is the area of the sector of the smaller circle. So here we can write, to get the shaded region, you consider the area of the sector, means bigger circle's sector, we can say area of the sector of the bigger circle OAB, minus you just cut this portion of OCD, that is nothing but area of the sector of the smaller circle. Clear? Here OAB is the sector of the bigger circle, OCD is the sector of the smaller circle. To get the area of the shaded region, so we can write area of the sector OAB minus, if you cut area of the sector OCD, the remaining portion is only shaded region. Let us mention the same. We can write area of the sector OAB minus area of the sector, that is smaller sector OCD. Now let us write the suitable formulas, then we are going to substitute these values also. So area of the sector OAB is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here I am taking this radius of the bigger circle as capital R, so I am writing pi capital R square minus area of the smaller sector whose central angle is same 30 degrees. So we can write the theta as it is, theta by 360 into pi also constant, and here r square, we are writing here small r square because this is the sector of the smaller circle. Now let us write the values. Here theta can be replaced with 30 degrees, given theta equal 30 degrees, and capital R is 21 centimeter and small r is 7 centimeter. Let us substitute these values. Now here theta 30 by 360, let us write 360 as it is, into pi pi can be taken as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into here r square, capital R square is 21 square, minus same theta 30 by 360, let us write the as it is, into pi. Again here also pi can be taken as 22 by 7 into r square, small r square is 7 square. Now here let us observe 30 by 360 and 22 by 7. 30 by 360 and 22 by 7 can be taken as common. So let us take it as common. 30 by 360 into 22 by 7. Let us write the remaining values. It is 27 1 square minus 7 square. 21 square minus 7 square. So here if we cancel 0 0, 3 by 36, let us cancel 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja, right? And here these two also can be cancelled, 2 11 ja, 2 6 ja. So here we get 1 into 11 is 11 by 6 into 7. 11 by 6 into 7 into, if you come here, 21 square is 441 minus 7 square is 49. If not, you can apply formula a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b means 21 plus 7 into 21 minus 7. So 21 plus 7, here I am writing, it can be split as 21 plus 7 into 21 minus 7. This is easy because 21 plus 7 is 28, that can be cancelled with 7. That is the reason. So this is 28 into 21 minus 7 is 14. So here we can cancel 14 with this 7. With this 2, let us cancel this 6. So here it is 11 into 28. 11 8 are 88, 8 is the carry forward, 11 2 is 22 plus 8 30, so it is 308 by 3. So on simplification here we get, now here we cancel with 3, this is 3 10 are 30, now 8 is there, 3 2s are 6, so 2 is the remainder. So when you keep here decimal, 2 will be 20. So here 3 6 are 18, again 2 will come, pick up decimal, again there will be 20, again 6, so on. So here this is 102.666 so on. When we adjust up to 2 decimals, what happens? Here this is 102.6, this number is more than 5, so we can add here 1 and we can stop it. So here 102.67 centimeter square or square centimeter. So let us see, therefore the area of the shaded region is 102.67 centimeter square. With this, the 7th problem gets completed. Now let us see next problem, that is problem number 8. Calculate the area of the designed region in figure. This is the given figure in which this is the designed region. That region is common between the 2 quadrants of the circles of radius 10 centimeters each. Use pi equal to 3.14. Here let us start solving this problem. Before starting the problem, let us join here BD. Let us join BD. Now we see what happens. Consider this part, this point as P and this point as Q. Now observe carefully. The given design is divided into 2 equal parts by joining BD. One of the parts is area of BPD, so this portion BPD, and another similar part of the design is BQD. So in order to find the area of the design, we need to find area of BPD plus area of BQD. So here let us write here, locate P and Q on either sides of the design. either side of the design. Now area of the design is equal to area of the design is equal to area of BPD plus area of BQD. In fact, these two are similar and they are equal also. So we can write here that clearly area of BPD is equal to area of BQD, since BD divides the design into two similar parts. Since these two are equal, if we are able to find the area of the design, if you find area of design BPD, then that will be the same for design BQD. Or in other words, we can say, if you multiply the area of this design with 2, so that we will get the required design. Let us see here. Let us consider this clue as equation number 1, and let us start how to find either area of BPD or area of BQD, because both are similar. So here let us write finding area of design BPD. We are going to find area of the design BPD. If you observe carefully the given design, it is given that this part is made by, this design is the common part which is made by two quadrants. As you know, angle at the center in a quadrant is 90 degrees. So here ABD is one of the quadrants, and here BCD is the other quadrant of circle whose radius is 10 centimeter. For the circle from which this quadrant is taken, its radius is 10 centimeter. Same way here also, its radius is also 10 centimeter. Now, in order to find area of the BPD, let us consider the quadrant ABD, that is also nothing but sector. So here let us consider the quadrant ABD. Here I am drawing once again. Here let us take the ABD completely. Here B comes, here A, here this is 90 degrees, and this is D. After finding the area of the quadrant or sector ABD, if you subtract area of the triangle ABD, if you subtract this portion, then what happens? The design here, if we take this as P, the design BPD, area of the design BPD comes. Let us see here. The thing what we need to do here, the BP design, if you observe, this is the white line, then pink, then yellow. Here I kept for our understanding. Here this is the pink one, and here to here is yellow one, and which here I have drawn some white designs. So in order to get the design BPD, what we need to do here, area of BPD is equal to area of quadrant or sector ADB, area of sector ABD or ADB, both are same, minus area of triangle BAD or DAB. To not to get confused, let us write both DAB only. So area of the sector DAB and area of the triangle DAB. Right. As you know, area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle is half into base into height, half into. Here if you take AB as the base, then AD will be the height. If not, if you take AD as base, then AB will be the height, because both are perpendicular to each other. So we can write any one. Here I am writing AB into AD. Now let us write the values. Here theta is, since it is a quadrant, here theta is 90 degrees. And radius R is nothing but, here it is given clearly. Here quadrant of circle whose radius is 10 centimeters. So here R is equal to 10 centimeter. And AB is equal to, here AB is nothing but the radius of the circle. So here we can take AB is 10 centimeter. Similarly AD, A to D also 10 centimeter. Now let us substitute these values in the formula. So area of BPD is equal to, theta means 90 degrees, 90 by 360 into pi r square. Here pi can be taken as 3.14. Let us write 3.14 into r square. R square is 10 square. 10 square nothing but 100. This is the area of the sector. Minus 1 by 2 into, half into, base into height. AB is 10, AD is 10. So 10 into 10. It is 10 into 10. Let us simplify. Here it is 90, 1s are 90. It is 90, 4s are 360. Now here 3.14 into 100 is 314. So here we can write it as 314 by this 4 minus, here 10 tens are 100, 100 by 2. 100 by 2. Now here let us cancel these two numbers with 2. It is 2 2s are, and 2 15s are 30. Here 1 is carry forward, so 157. So let us write this as 157 by 2 minus 100 by 2. So here let us take 2 LCM. 157 minus 100 by 2 is nothing but 57 by 2 centimeter square. This is the area of the design BPD. Here you see area of the design BPD. This half of the design occupies 57 by 2 centimeter square. So here let us write, therefore area of BPD is equal to 57 by 2. This is nothing but area of BQD also. Since from equation 1 we came to know that both of them, they have the same area. So this is what, since from equation 1. Now as we need the area of the required design, therefore area of the design is equal to, area of the required design is equal to area of BPD plus area of BQD. So 57 by 2 plus 57 by 2. 57 by 2 plus 57 by 2. This is 2 into 57 by 2. Let us cancel 2 and 2. So here we get 57 centimeter square. 57 centimeter square. So here let us see the question. Calculate the area of the designed region. So here let us write conclusion. Therefore area of the designed region is 57 centimeter square. With this, the problem 8 gets completed.